Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about how to make the luxury high-end villa with the lap pool in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we can make the rectangle in here. We can make the rectangle around 22 and 10 meter in here, and then now we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter in here, and triple click and also make group. Okay, and after that now we can select move tab control. We can move around 7 meter in here, and we can make the rectangle in here and just click and offset it inside a little bit in here and erase the border plane over there and click and push it up in here and triple click make group. Okay, so and after this step we have to determine about the position of glazing. We can select this line, select this vertical line, and select move tab control and just place to the position and just place to the position and again and just place to the position again, and now we can add more a little bit position in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the determination in here and we can push it to the behind over there, and then now we can assign about the materials with the blue glass materials over there in here and also the blue glass materials in here. Okay, and after that now we can erase the top and also the bottom surfaces over there in here, and after that now we can determine about the rectangle in here, and now we can click and push it up, and then now we can click and select a move tab control and just we can move and just place it the position in here and click and copy and make group and just edit paste in place in here and push it up in here. Okay, and push it to the front in here. Okay, and click and push it to the another side in here and triple click and also make group in here. Okay, and after that now we can select the color. Okay, and assign about the color and click and offset it inside in here. Okay, and now we can make the lumber ceiling in here. We can just select the cladding or brick and this position in here. Okay, then now we can determine about the materials of this wall in here. Maybe we can add more elements on the position in here, or maybe we can make the bottom glazing in here over there. Okay, we can make the bottom glazing in this area and also in this area. Okay, this is about the bottom glazing, sorry. Okay, and after that now we can make the another elements. Okay, we can make the rectangle in here and push it to the front and triple click make group, and we can push it up and push it to the front. Okay, we can push it to the front in here and until to the position in here and triple click and push it to the down in here. Okay, and now we can make it more slim over there and make the circle maybe to make the variation of the villa in here, and now we can determine about the design ornament in here, design texture or finishing over there, and then now we can select the color and we can assign and adjust about the color in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the plane in here. Okay, just like this, and then now we can make the rectangle in here for the pool, and we can make the curve in here for the pool. Okay, and okay, now we can make the line in here. Okay, we can push it down and push it down in here. Okay, sorry, we can make this one, and maybe we can make the solid object first, and now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, and then now we can make the curve over there. And push it down in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then now we can we can now select the water materials in here. Okay, so this is about this infinity pool in here. Okay, okay, now we can select the color. You can select the color and Okay, and after that now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, we can make the rectangle over there and push it to the another side in here. Okay, we can try to make the stair access. Okay, so we can make the component and then just create. Okay, we can move and we can type x20 and in here. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary object in here. Okay, we can erase the unnecessary object. Okay, we can just place we can just select the landscaping in here. Okay, so this is about the sloping, the little sloping in here. We can make the different landscape in here, so it will make more dynamic in here. And just click. Okay, we can make group. Okay, now we can assign about the materials with this one. Okay, and after that now we can make the another geometry. This is for the front geometry in here. Okay, and then now we can click. Okay, now we can select a cylinder. We can make the cylinder in here and push it down in here. Okay, and then make group. And just place the position in here and just like this. Okay, so it could be the side access in here, and now we can select the freehand. Okay, to make the another variety of landscaping in here, and also the freehand, and make the variative landscaping here. Okay, so this is about the basic concept and basic object. Now we can put the another elements in here. We can select the tree, select the move tab control. Okay, and just place. And select the people in here. Okay, and now we can assign about the landscaping in here. We can assign about the landscaping over there. Okay, so you can add more something in here, like landscaping over there on bottom of the stair in here. Okay, we can select the sloping landscape in here. Okay, and after that now we can click and select a move tab control in here, and now we can explode. Okay, we can explode again in here and just scale it down in here, and make group and select a move. Okay. Okay, and now we can put the another greenery. This is greenery like a plant landscaping in here, and for the swimming pool area in here. Okay, and then now we can put the another something in here, like this one vehicle in here. Okay, just like this, and Okay, I think it's almost done, and then now we can determine about the wood materials in here to make it more representative enough, or we can add more in this area in here, so it would make the luxury and elegance of this one. And now we can put the another materials with this one. Okay, just like this, and then now we can activate about the shadow. Okay, we can adjust about the shadow in here. Okay, and maybe we can deactivate again and put the another materials. We can just select the concrete with this one. Okay, okay, and after that now we can activate about the shadow, and we can activate about the bold. Okay, we can activate about the bold for the style. We can just this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you to get the inspiration about the luxury villa design. Okay, about the luxury villa design in here. So it's not only about the building, but also the combination of the swimming pool setup, swimming pool design. Okay, I will put it up again in here. It's about the swimming pool design anyway. It's not only about the building. It's not swim. It's also about the swimming pool, infinity pool, and also the landscaping position in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. And I hope you can learn from this video to create your own imagination or your design inspiration. Thank you very much.